Hello everyone. Welcome to the YouTube channel of Chameli Devi Institute of Pharmacy, Indore. So today I'm here again with the topic is elixir. So elixir is a monophasic liquid dosage form which meant for oral use. So let's start it. So in this presentation we will discuss first of all introduction about the elixir, like definition of elixir, use of elixir, formulation of elixir, formulation, concentration of elixir, method of preparation of elixir, and different type of elixir available in market. So elixir is a monophasic liquid dosage form which are clear, sweetened, flavored hydroalcoholic solution intended for oral use and usually flavored to enhance their palatability. So basically elixir are hydroalcoholic solution, that means water plus alcoholic solution intended for oral use, and elixir are clear, sweetened, flavored solution. So the main ingredient of elixir are ethyl alcohol, mainly ethyl alcohol, and the concentration range for alcohol is 5 to 40%. Water, glycerine or propyl glycol, flavoring agent, sweetening agent, sometimes coloring agent, and some suitable preservative. Now what are the formulation consideration in elixir? So every formulation having vehicle. So vehicle is the media or solvent for dissolution the ingredients and API. After vehicle there are some adjuvants or additives like flavoring agent, sweetening agent, preservative, and most important API, the active pharmaceutical ingredient which is responsible for therapeutic use. So let's see the vehicle which are used in elixir. So the elixir are usually prepared by using water, alcohol, syrup means simple syrup, glycerine, sorbitol, polyethylene glycol. So usually the water is used to dissolve the majority of ingredient of elixir, but the flavoring agent containing essential oils are easily soluble alcohol. So alcohol, first vehicle, so this is employed as a co-solvent to ensure solubility of all ingredient. Generally the concentration of alcohol is 10% to 40% volume by volume. So those type of ingredient which are not soluble in water or which are insoluble in water, so for solubilize those ingredient we can use alcohol. So certain medicinal ingredient of elixir are easily soluble in alcohol. So alcohol in the concentration 10 to 14% used to make clear solution. Next vehicle is polyco-solvent. So example of this polyco-solvent are propylene glycol, glycerol, glycerine, sometimes sorbitol. So may be employed in pharmaceutical elixir to enhance the solubility of therapeutic agents and associate excipients. The inclusion of these ingredients enable the concentration of alcohol to be reduced. So those ingredients which are not easily soluble in water and alcohol, for example paracetamol is slightly soluble in water, so it is dissolved in mixture of alcohol, propylene glycol and glycerine to make a clear elixir. Sometimes flavored syrup or simple syrup is commonly used in case or in preparation of pediatric elixir. After the vehicle, there are many adjuvants are used to make more palatable elixir. So the first adjuvant is sweetening agent. So sweetening agents are used to make elixir acceptable and palatable to the patient. So the type of sweetening agents are similar to those used in syrup, such as sorbitol solution. Sometimes simple syrup is also used, and artificial sweetener such as sodium saccharine. After the sweetening agent, there are some flavors also used to enhance the aesthetic quality of formulation. So all pharmaceutical elixir contain flavors and color to increase the palatability and enhance the aesthetic quality of the formulation. So in elixir, the flavoring agents used are lemon syrup, orange syrup, raspberry syrup, and sometimes blackcurrant syrup. So next additive is preservative. So preservative used to prevent the growth of microorganisms in the formulation. So in case pharmaceutical elixir, preservative are not required because of presence of 12 to 20% volume by volume alcohol. So this concentration of alcohol inhibit the growth of microorganisms. So due to the antimicrobial property of this co-solvent, there are no requirement of preservative in pharmaceutical elixir, but due to volatile nature of some of the component of elixir should be packed in tight container and not stored at high temperature. The addition of viscosity enhancing agent, example hydrophilic polymer, may be required to optimize the rheological property of elixir. Next additive is chemical stabilizers. So the various chemical or special solvent are used in many elixir to make stable elixir. For example, in neomycin elixir, citric acid is added to adjust the pH between 4 to 5 to prevent darkening of elixir on storage. Similarly, disodium EDTA is also used as squeeze heavy metal that catalyze decomposition of neomycin. So some stabilizer or chemical stabilizer are also used in elixir. After chemical stabilizer, there are some coloring agent also used to make pleasant and enhance the patient acceptability. So the coal tar dyes are commonly used in elixir for coloring agent. So the example of coloring agent are amaranth compound, tartrazine, sometimes use green S and tartrazine. Although the coloring agent should be matched with flavoring agent. For example, in orange syrup flavor, so the color of elixir should be orange or similarly yellow in color, and red color is used for strawberry or raspberry flavor. So after the formulation consideration, which is used in the formulation or preparation of elixir, so method of preparation of elixir. So elixir are usually prepared by simple solution with agitation and or by admixture of two or more liquid ingredient. So alcohol soluble and water soluble component are generally dissolved separately in alcohol and in purified water respectively. So water soluble ingredient are dissolved in water and alcohol soluble ingredient are dissolved in alcohol. Then the aqueous solution is added to the alcoholic solution to maintain the highest possible alcoholic strength at all the time, so that minimal separation of alcohol solvent component occur. And by using this method, we also minimize the precipitation which may be occur during mixing of alcohol and aqueous solution. After the mixing or completely mixing of two solution, first is water aqueous solution and alcoholic solution. So after the mixing, the mixture is made to volume with the specified solvent or vehicle. Then frequently the final mixture will be cloudy because of the separation of some of flavoring oils or essential oil by the reduced alcoholic concentration. So for this, talc filter is used to absorb excessive amount of oil and therefore assist in their removal from the solution. So we can remove excessive oil or excessive flavoring oil or essential oil by the using of talc filter. So after the filtration, elixirs are dispensed in well-filled, well-closed and airtight glass bottle having screw caps and stored at cool and dark place. So there are two types of elixirs are available in market. First is medicated elixir. The first is medicated elixir. Medicated elixir are a solution of active ingredient or therapeutic active ingredient dissolved in water and an alcohol, often along with other excipients such as preservative, coloring agent and flavoring agent. So medicated elixir usually contain a potent drug such as antibiotic, antihistaminic elixir, that is diphenhydramine hydrochloride, analgesic elixir, acetaminophen and cardiotonic elixir, that is digitoxin. So medicated elixir means they have therapeutic activity or therapeutic value or contain medicament. And example of this type of elixir are antihistaminic elixir, analgesic elixir and cardiotonic elixir and many more. Now the second type of elixir is non-medicated elixir. So these are simple elixir that do not contain any medicated agent or medicament. So these non-medicated elixir are used as flavored and as a vehicle. So non-medicated elixir may be used as by pharmacist the addition of a therapeutic agent to pleasing tasting vehicle, or you can say as a flavored vehicle. And second is dilution of an existing medicated elixir. So most common non-medicated elixir are follows. First is compound benzaldehyde elixir and isoalcoholic elixir. Thank you.